Good morning, students. How are you all? Are you fine? Good. Yesterday, as you know, we have discussed our chapter 3 Mangoose, and today we will be going further into the chapter. Shall we start now? Great. Very good. See, I will be reading aloud your SGP2 and you will note it down. Whenever you will find a new word, you have to write it down in your copies, okay? Mongooses are famous for being able to kill snakes without getting hurt themselves. Their reactions are so fast that they can dodge each time the snake strikes. They continually dodge snakes' attack until after a while the snake gets tired. Then they quickly dive in for the kill. See how the mongoose is attacking the snake? Can you see the picture? Yes. Shall we go for further? All the female mongooses have their kitten at about the same time. They are raised by the whole group in a den made inside an old termite hill or hollow log. When most of the adults are out looking for food, one or two males stay behind to stand guard until the others return for the night. See, the mongooses live in a group. They live in termite hill. Can you see the backdrop of this picture? That is a termite hill. The mongooses live there and they live always in a group. Okay. Now, I have asked you to write down certain new words you found in that SGP2. Can you tell me? Yes. The first one is dodge. Dodge means, what do you mean by dodge? Have you seen a sudden movement made by a rat or mouse or squirrels? Have you seen that? Yes. That sudden or quick movement is known as dodge. And the second word is? Yes. The second word is snake strikes. Have you ever seen a snake? Yes. You have experience of seeing snake? Okay. Very good. Have you seen that the snake move rapidly here and there, and while attacking or defending, the snake always make a speed movement? Yes, that rapid speed movement while attacking or defending is known as snake strikes. And the third word, the new word you have found is? Yes, yes, DIVE, that is dive. Dive means like when mongoose and snake were fighting, that time when snakes get tired after fighting with mongoose, that time mongoose attack snake with a dive. Like the mongoose take a courageous decision and it attacks the snake. And here in this paragraph, exactly dive means to start working with bold steps or courageous decision. Okay. And the fourth one is kitten. Very good. Here, kitten means the young ones of the mongoose. Okay. You got it? Great. In our last video, we have learned how mongooses hunt and communicate. Did you remember about mongoose? Yes? Okay. So, shall I ask you some questions? Fine. So now I will ask you some questions and you have to answer them. Okay. Shall we go ahead? Great. What do mongooses eat? You have to think and you have to answer. What do mongooses eat? Yes, mongooses eat insects, snakes, and small creatures like beetles and millipedes. Okay, shall we go to the next question? Where are mongooses commonly found? I have already told yesterday in our previous class where mongooses are actually found. Can you tell me where are mongooses commonly found? Yes, great. That is Africa. Mongooses commonly found in Africa. The third question. Why do mongooses hunt in groups instead of living alone? Yeah, tell me why they hunt in groups. Can't they go and hunt alone? Then you have to think and answer why do mongooses hunt in groups instead of alone? Yes, because mongooses hunt in groups to increase their chances of catching food and to protect each other from predators. Hunting together allow them to stay safe. Okay, now you have to answer the following questions. Some more questions are there. You have to think, you have to analyze, and then you have to answer the questions. How do mongooses communicate while moving through bushes and rocks? Because while communicating one mongoose to another, some bushes and rocks will come in between them while they were running and hiding. So how do they communicate? If they sense some dangers, how do they communicate? Great. They make twittering sound to stay connected, and I have already explained you. Twittering sound means a chirping sound. Okay. They make twittering sound to stay connected. And how do mongooses find food? Can you tell me? It's a very simple question. How do mongooses find food? Wow, very nice. They overturn rocks and scratch the ground to find hidden insects and small creatures. You know small creatures, the millipedes and beetles. They find the insects and scratch the ground and then they find the insects. Okay. What helps mongooses dig into the ground? With the help of what? Mongooses dig the ground. Great. Their sharp claws help them to dig into the ground. They have sharp claws. I have already explained you claws means the pointed, curved, pointed nails. Okay, with the help of their nails, their sharp claws, they dig into the ground. And what kind of sounds do mongooses make to warn their group about danger? I have already told you. You have answered also. Yes, they make alarm calls. The twittering sounds they have made, that is called as alarm calls. They make alarm calls to alert others of the potential danger. Okay, or potential threats. And how do mongooses manage to kill venomous snake without getting bitten? It's very difficult to save ourselves from venomous skin, right? Snake has venom and it can kill us. Then how do the mongooses manage to kill those venomous snake without getting bitten? Think? Yes. Yes, try it. Very good. They continuously dodge the snake's attack until it gets tired. Then they strike. Very good. And what special skills help mongooses survive snake bites? It's related to the previous question. Okay, shall I repeat the question once again? Okay. What special skills helps mongooses survive snake bites? Very good. Their quick reflexes and partial immunity to snake venom make them survive the snake bites. Okay? And where do mongooses make their dens? I have shown a picture about that also. Where do mongooses make their dens? Yes, mongooses make their dens inside old termite hills or hollow logs. Okay, and why do male mongooses stay behind when the group goes out to find food? Shall I repeat the question once again? Fine. Why do male mongooses stay behind when the group goes out to find food? Yes, correct. That's right. Some male mongooses stay behind to guard the den and they protect the young ones while the rest of the group searches for food. They actually believe in teamwork. Okay, so some stay behind and some go for some go out in search of food. Okay, so this is done for the class. In the next class, we will discuss more questions about mongooses. Till then, take care. And your homework is you have to make make sentences of the new words you have found in your SGP2.